So I moved my primary connections to Airtel back when they were the first to try out 4G in India. Then they were also the first to try out 5G in India. And recently they launched a new service, and we were really excited when they invited us to check out their new plan called Airtel Black. Now, this is a service that allows you to combine two or more connections into a singular connection. And I'll tell you what my experience was with Airtel Black, because I was already a previous Airtel user. So let's quickly get into it. So the Airtel Black service is quite cool actually, because if you have lots of connections in your house, you have to deal with bills, customer IDs, and all these things constantly. Me being the person dealing with all the tech aspects, all the connections, subscriptions, these things get annoying, and a lot of companies are moving towards a singular subscription plan, and the Airtel Black service is something similar to that. So with one plan, you can have multiple connections, whether it's phone connections, a fiber connection, or even a DTH connection, all added into a singular plan. This also gives you some premium services as well as premium support from Airtel, and you have a dedicated relationship manager and lots of other cool features. But before we get into all of those things, let me quickly tell you what my experience was and what my plan was and how it helped me save a little bit of money per month. So initially I was paying $399 on one plan, $499 on another phone number, and then $799 per month for my fiber to home. Now this combined was about $1,697 per month, or 1,700 rupees per month plus the taxes that I was paying for these connections. Now I was getting 75 gigabyte of data on one phone number, 50 gigabyte of data on the other phone number, and a 100 Mbps connection on my fiber. Once you go into your Airtel app, you'll be able to choose your city, and then the Airtel Black customizer will automatically choose a plan for you. This is a pretty cool thing. It'll take all your services, combine them, and give you a recommended service. Now, the recommended plan for me was the 1697 plan, and in this I was getting all my existing services plus some additional free service and support, along with a dedicated relationship manager. So if I have any issues with any of the connections, I can simply dial in, and I'll also tell you what my experience with that was once I talk a little bit more about the plans. But I went through all the other plans and I decided to choose the 1598 plan. Now in this, I continue to get my phone connections along with 105 gigabyte of data to share over those, but I also get a 200 Mbps fiber connection. So my connection speed for fiber at home doubles, as well as my phone numbers and my fiber are now consolidated. Now I did have some teething issues with my router not working properly. So I called in to Airtel support on one-to-one, and instead of going through various menus and trying to find the customer support agent, the relationship manager now sits on the number 2. So all you do is call in one-to-one and press number 2, and you get directly to the relationship manager. There's no wait times, nothing.
Welcome to Airtel Black. For self-service, press 1. To speak with your dedicated... Please wait while your call is being transferred. This call may be recorded for service quality assessment.
Good evening, sir. My name is Gulfam from a dedicated data relationship team. How may I assist you?
And you get direct access to your relationship manager. They already know who you are. They already have all the details of your plan. And you just tell them that you have an issue with this service, and literally within 24 hours, they fix the problem. They replace the router. Now, this is without them sort of figuring out who I was or what I was doing. So this is completely organically happening. And I was really impressed with that. Airtel service has been pretty good overall, but this new quick service, or this new relationship manager express service, so to speak, is pretty awesome as well. Now there's also another plan that I was considering, which is the 2099 plan. In this I get the Airtel Xtreme box as well. Now the Xtreme box is like an Android box, so you have all your apps, whether you want Amazon Prime, you want Hotstar, or you want Netflix, you get all of those on the box. And it is running on Android TV, and you can basically use it as a TV box. So if you don't have a smart TV in your house, you can add this and convert your TV into a smart box. Plus you get 400 rupees worth of TV channels free every month in this plan. And then you get the box for free as well. And there is a security deposit, which is refundable at the end of the year. So I get lots of freebies in just adding 400 rupees more. Plus I continue to get the relationship manager. I get free service visits. So if you have any issues with your DTH or whatever, The service engineer will not charge for a visit that they did previously. So all of those things are combined, and I think it's a cool thing to have, and I think more people should get into this, especially if you have 2 or more services at home. The Airtel Black configurations could be really useful for you, and they start at 998 rupees and they go all the way up to 2099. So there are 4 plans that you can choose, and according to your requirements you can adjust them and choose them accordingly. Plus, if you add a new service, you get the first 30 days free on that new service, which is absolutely cool. Another thing you can do is that if you have family members who are also using Airtel, so instead of creating multiple Airtel Black plans, you can consolidate all of them into a family plan and then convert that into Airtel Black, because you have considerable savings with respect to monthly expenses, plus the fact that you get a single point of contact, and anyone from that connection series can call Airtel and they'll get the same customer support, the same relationship manager, everything remains the same. So it's quite cool. I kind of like it. If you guys want to go check it out, do that. If you enjoyed this video, smash a like, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to iGyan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.